Good morning, students. Welcome back to today class. The today class, I am going to explain about fill in the blanks, and today onwards we are going to see about revision, because all the lessons are completed. You're all going to write exams also. So well prepare for your exam, and totally 5 lessons. So how many lessons for your exams? So totally 5 lessons. You have to prepare 5 lessons for your exam. Okay. First lesson, Earth our home, and the second lesson, looking at the earth, and the third lesson, the earth and its neighbors, and the fourth lesson, air around us, and the last lesson, water on the earth. So these 5 lessons for your exams. And first one, Phillips. The first one, dash is a air we breathe. Dash is a air we breathe. Oxygen. Oxygen only we are all breathing, isn't it? Oxygen is present in the air we breathe. Oxygen spelling is Oxygen, oxygen. And the second one, the earth is known to be the planet of life. The earth is known to be the planet of dash life, because the earth planet only we are all living, and earth providing life for us. So the earth is called the planet of life. Life spelling is L-I-F-E, life. And the third one, dash is the smallest continent. So total overall 7 continents are there, isn't it? So which is called smallest continent? Australia is called the smallest continent. Australia spelling is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. And the fourth one, dash is a round model of the earth. Dash is a round model of the earth. We can't go and see the earth. We can't go and see the earth. Only we can see the model of the earth. There are 2 models are there. One is the globe, another one is a map. So which is called round model? Globe only it's called round model of the earth. Globe spelling is G-L-O-B-E, globe. Okay. And the fifth one, the biggest continent is dash. So the biggest continent is dash is Asia. A-S-I-A. Asia is called the biggest continent in the world. And the sixth one, planets have no dash of their own. Planets have no dash of their own. So light. So planets have no light of their own. So because all the planets depend in the sun. The sun only providing light to all the planets. So each planet have no light. So light spelling is L-I-G-H-T. Light. Okay. And the 7th one, the dash is a center of the solar system. So which is called the center of the solar system? The sun is called the center of the solar system. So which is called the center of the solar system? The sun is called the center of the solar system. Sun spelling is S-U and sun. And the 8th one, air has weight. Air has weight. Weight spelling is W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. And the 9th one, air takes up dash space. Air takes up space. How we can know? How we can find out air occupies space? For example, you take a balloon. Use our mouth. We blew up the balloon. So at the time the air occupies space into the balloon, and the balloon also get a proper shape, isn't it? So air takes a space. And the last one, we can only dash air. we can only dash air, we can only feel the air. We can see the air? No, we can only dash air, we can only feel, F-E-E-L, feel the air. So dear students, so learn properly this 10 fill-ups and write one time in your homework note, and your exams also coming soon. So get ready for your exam. Okay, thank you.